Well, hello there. This is Kathy A, and I thought I'd tell you about this really cool 10 by magnification glass that comes as a stand or a tabletop. Now it comes double boxed and it's really well padded. And this is my friend Rick demonstrating here on doing it. He did yard work, so that's what the bruise is on his arm. I didn't beat him up. So he's just taking all of the parts out first. And again, it's so well packed. I mean, it's got a base foam there, and it looks like about a 4-inch diameter magnifier, and there's the base if you're going to be using the stand. So it's so easy to assemble. You just take the two tubes and screw them in, and it's quite sturdy. And then in the upper one, there's a special little hole in that, and that tightens up nicely. You just plug it into the socket and then put it right into the outlet in the wall, 110 voltage. You can twist it all over the place to whatever angle you need it, depending on what you're doing. And he's showing how you can use the little remote to do different levels of dim to brightness, from warm to cool to soft white. Now this magnification is a 10 by magnification. He's taking off his glasses and he's going to try and read that. And it's working really well, but he wanted to try to thread a needle. It's something he hasn't done in decades. And I'll be darned, he's so excited. He threaded a needle using this magnifier. Now you have directions here on how to attach this lamp to any table or desk. And it's very easy, just a little clamp method there. And now he's gonna disengage it from the stand and just slip it right in to this table stand. He's getting a book and he's going to see if he can read the book. He's going to try the different lighting to the one that's most comfortable for him to read. Depending on the time of the day, I'm sure you would change that out. And he's quite excited. He can read it without his glasses. Thumbs up from Mr. Rick. Yeah. Okay, it's easy to clean too, and they provide a nice cleaning cloth. The outer ring, the lens, and then the backside. So many uses for this. If you're working on delicate electronics, if you're doing crafts like knitting or needlework, beading, jewelry work, hobbies like car or airplane models, putting details on your hand paintings, and of course jigsaw puzzles, coins, if you have a coin collection or a stamp collection, or if you want to look for those little silver symbols on some antiques you found at the yard sale, or see what the fake versus real is on something, and what's the expiration date on your medicine. You can write letters and notes very clearly and nicely, and boy, I can use it for this, the manicure. You know how sloppy your manicures can be. And what about the lipstick tube? I can finally see what that color is. Okay, that's all for now. Please visit my channel. Thanks for watching.